This is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, I'm show you if in your PyCharm Python interpreter doesn't appear, what to do in this case. So let's go to the PyCharm. I'm doing this one is Mac. Windows would be similar. I hit a project inside, and normally Python interpreter should be here. It doesn't appear this part, so how I can see and make it appear in this corner? Hit at the searching option you can see here and type Python as you see, or you can type show Python interpreter. Here at the corner you see is off. Click for on. If you see on, it should immediately appear here. So let's go. Click here, you see the Python interpreter is here. Now you can change the version of the Python as you want. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.